to attempt to create a fire base for our witch's cauldron for another one of our really cool outdoor Halloween decorations. So I've already assembled all the items I think we need, so I found an old scrap piece of cardboard that I can use for the base, and I marked where the base and the outer portion of this is going to go so I can see exactly where I can put my lights. We also went and purchased a box of 100 string lights here. It came with 2 blinking bulbs, so hopefully that'll give a good cool glowing effect once it's covered. I had some extra long zip ties that we can use to secure the lights down to the outer area. We also had some plastic sheeting laying around that we could use to cover the lights once they're secured in place. Once we tape down the plastic, we're going to use the grate stuff, spray it on top of the plastic, and hopefully create a realistic looking fire base. Hi, before we start, I would strongly suggest using some type of latex gloves. It's also a good idea to cover the floor with something so we don't make a big mess. First, I'm going to use the red paint. Now we're going to use the black. Here we have a shot of the finished product. Hope it looks good. Here's a little shot of Witchy Poo. She decided to come out and say hi. Hi, Witchy Poo.
I needed my milk.